Yeah, hello everyone. This is Mr. Lang, and we are working on our collage, which we are going to be utilizing a software application called GIMP to do some editing to a few of our sprites. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm here in my Star Wars collage directory, and I'm going to be working on my sprites today. So I'm going to jump into my sprites, and you can see that I have three sprites from Darth Vader to the Death Star to the X-Wing fighter. I'm going to go to our Darth Vader here, and I am going to go ahead and open up my raw directory. And in my raw directory, this is where I have my original raw image. This is the image that I found on the internet. This might be an image that you take with your phone. You never want to edit this image. You always want to keep the raw state. So I'm going to go ahead and right click on it. Just take a look at some of the properties. First of all, make sure that it is a JPEG. That is what we need. I also like to look at some of the details in regards to its dimensions. Don't want to work on a image that's like 200 by 400 or a 100 by 200 or something like that. You want to have some resolution to it. And so this one's pretty good. So we'll go ahead and work with that. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and there's multiple ways that you can copy this. But I'll go ahead and use the right click, and I'm going to come over here to my Darth Vader edited image. All right. And I'm going to open that up, and I'm going to go ahead and paste that image in there. All right. So it's the same image. Again, we're not going to edit the image that we have in our raw folder. We want to keep that there just in case. So I'm going to go ahead now and right click and choose to open with, and it should give you some options for all of these different images to open up in different photo editors to just look at the photo. And there is my graphic image manipulation program called GIMP. Now, if you don't see it there, you can either choose to choose another app. You can also open the app up through your start window here by choosing GIMP. When you type it, there's my GIMP. I can open it up, file, open, and then I can navigate to my Darth Vader and open it that way. So there's multiple ways to open this image up in GIMP. I like to right click and choose GIMP here. And it may take a second for my GIMP application to load up. This is a larger application. It is free, so that is cool. I like free. And I'm going to go ahead and now, let's see here. It's in a different window, and it is asking me, yeah, we'll convert that. That'll be fine. I'm going to go ahead and drag this over to this window here. And there is my image, Darth Vader, ready to go in the editor. So right away, I'm going to do a file, save as. All right, and there's a shortcut menu you can use right there. The first time you do it, you do want to do a save as. And I'm going to look at my file path. And because I right clicked on the image in the Darth Vader directory, it wants to save my GIMP file. This has a .xcf file extension. It wants to save it in my Darth Vader edited image directory. And that's exactly where I want to put it. There's the name of it, Darth Vader.xcf. Great. Again, XCF is the file extension for me to work on that image. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize my GIMP real quick. And there we have it. We have our image and we have our GIMP file. If we ever need to go back and work on it again, there it is, ready for us to go. So that is the end of my tutorial on how to kind of get started opening the image up and go from there. So stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to demonstrate how we can crop our image.